Alright, so earlier today I went out here and I flew quite a good ways out that direction, which is north of where I'm at here in Germany. I got out to about 5,100 meters, 5 kilometers, roughly about 3-ish miles. And I hit the point where the computer said, all right, it's time to return to home. And I returned to home, I still had some juice left. So I'm actually going to try to fly this direction and go out to a castle that's 3 miles out and see if I can go a little bit farther. And then also, a lot of you guys like the video of this thing crashing. So I kind of Frankenstein this Mini. The gimbal broke, so I ripped the camera out and I just glued it to the bottom. And today at some point we're going to suicide this drone and fly it in sport mode straight into a wall, since you guys apparently like seeing these things crash, so that should be fun. Alright, so this is going to be the suicide mission. We're going to fly it straight into that rock over there. It means you turn the camera. Yeah. Alright, and so I was flying it a little bit, and where it's broken right here, it was flexing the arm real bad, making weird noises while it was flying up there. So I don't know how much longer it's gonna last flying on its own, but I'm about to find out. Should be able to hear it messing up when it comes down. It won't even stay like stable up in there. There it goes.
Don't forget to record the video while you're crashing too.
Right. Alright, recording now. Yeah, let's watch out so I can get some speed. Oh, and show them on here the camera what it looks like.
You gotta fly around a little bit.
This is gonna be done in sport mode.
You know we can't retrieve if you fly into the one out there, right?
No, I'm not gonna fly. I'm gonna fly into this rock here.
Okay.
But come right here.
Now I am.
Alright, here we go. Make sure you get it when it hits the rock, though.
I'm gonna do my best.
I can't see where I'm going. Maybe if I get it to the height. Yeah, right there. That look good?
Yeah. You're definitely gonna hit something. I would come over to your right more, so that if it bounces off, it doesn't bounce down into the hole.
That work?
Yeah.
It won't stop.
You lost your camera completely.
Where'd the camera go?
I don't know.
Yeah. So, lost the camera somewhere over there. Rebroke this arm. All the other arms are intact. Really only damaged 2 blades here. So underneath. But we did, however, get a lot of errors. So I'm gonna set down to see if it'll take off as is. Probably won't. I'm gonna reset it. Oh, and the battery stayed in. probably did the most damage when I was just sitting down there spinning.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it won't even let me take off now. It says 0 GPS. This does all the airs. I'm able to take off. So, if you fly your Mini into a rock face, you probably won't be able to take off again. It's been proven.
And cut.